meeting between Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and protesting doctors in Kolkata has begun. The meeting is happening at Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's residence. Protesting junior doctors, a delegation of 15 of them, are currently at her house for talks. This comes after Mamata Banerjee had earlier reached out to these doctors today by meeting them at the protest site. The doctors then went ahead and accepted her olive branch, which is why now they're at her residence for further discussion on the demands that they've put forth. Rajesh Saha is joining us with more details on this. Rajesh, the meeting underway. What are you picking up from your sources right now?
Well, Akshita, at this moment we are present exactly in front of CM residence in Kolkata. This is the residence of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, and at around 6:39 p.m. this evening, a delegation team of protesting junior doctors comprising 32 members, they reached over here in Kalighat to meet the Chief Minister of West Bengal, and they will hold a meeting with the Chief Minister of Mamata Banerjee and according to the sources, DGP of West Bengal Rajiv Kumar, Chief Secretary of West Bengal, Home Secretary, and also the MOS of Health Ministry, Chandrima Bhattacharya, along with several other top officers of West Bengal government are present at this moment inside the residence of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. And within few minutes, the meeting will begin between the West Bengal government and all the representatives of junior doctors. You know, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee appeared at the protest site today, and she requested all the protesting junior doctors to keep faith on her, to keep faith on West Bengal government. All the demands raising by junior doctors will be examined by the West Bengal government. She approached all the junior doctors to come to get back to their work, and she also approached all the protesting doctors to join in a meeting, in an open-minded meeting, following which 32 members of protesting junior doctors have reached over here, and right now they are inside the CM residence. The meeting will begin very shortly. Akshita.
Stay on with me. Let's get our viewers all that's transpired in the last 24 hours. We're finally seeing a breakthrough. Hopefully it will lead to the end of the doctor stir. That is, of course, if their demands are met. But the reason we're seeing this breakthrough is that Mamata Banerjee today met with the protesting doctors. She turned up at their protest site to meet them, reach out to them and urge them to come forward to hold dialogue with the government. Now, let's hope that this development restores some sense of normalcy, because for over a month now, these doctors have been out on the streets putting forth their demands, seeking that the government listens to them.
After a tense 35-day standoff, agitating junior doctors finally met with Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee on Saturday. Didi vowed to go through the demands.
ঝড় জল হয়েছে, আপনারা যখন কষ্ট পেয়েছেন আমিও সারা রাত ঘুমোতে পারিনি, আমারও কষ্ট হয়েছে। এই ঝড় জলের মধ্যে আপনারা যেভাবে বসে আছেন আমার মানসিকভাবে কষ্ট হচ্ছে। আপনাদের ডিমান্ডগুলো আমি কথা বলে সহানুভূতির সাথে আমি স্টাডি করব।
Despite this crucial meeting, it is uncertain if the healthcare professionals will resume their duties.
Actually, we want some meaningful dialogue. Only exchanging dialogue can't help. We need something very constructive and organized plan for resolving this issue. She has only come to stay, that please resolve these things. I am with you. That's all thing will never help to resolve.
Currently, they continue to operate a makeshift clinic outside the hospital, providing care to patients.
यहाँ पे जो बेसिक ट्रीटमेंट हम लोग दे सकते हैं जनता को, वो हम लोग प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं। यहाँ पे हम लोग ECG अभी तक नहीं लगा है, वो उसका व्यवस्था हो रहा है, वो दोपहर या शाम तक हो जाएगा। हम लोग प्रेशर चेक कर रहे हैं, हम लोग शुगर माप रहे हैं, हम लोग बहुत सारे डिपार्टमेंट का यहाँ पे हम लोग दवा या डॉक्टर है जो हम लोग सर्विसेज हम लोग प्रोवाइड करेंगे आम जनता को। क्लिनिक का ये पहला दिन है, इसके बाद हम लोग और भी दवा लाएंगे और भी परिसेवा हम लोग यहाँ पे शुरू करेंगे।
Doctors are protesting in response to the tragic rape and murder of a trainee doctor at Kolkata's RG Kar Medical College. Adding to the drama, senior TMC leader Kunal Ghosh has made sensational claims. In a press conference, Ghosh presented an audio clip where two individuals allegedly discussed plans to attack the protesting doctors as they return from Nabanna on September 12th. India Today has not independently verified the authenticity of this clip.
ফেরত চলে আসছে সাবলেট সাবলেট শাসক মাঠটা মেরেছে বলছি পুরো দোষটা দিয়ে আরো বড় অশান্তি পাঠানো যাবে কিন্তু কলকাতার কাউকে নয় সব বাইরে আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে দেখছি ওরা তো এখনো ওখান থেকে প্রেস কনফারেন্স করছে আমরা টিভি দেখছি কন্টিনিউ কি করবো মাথা মাথা ফাটানোটা ঠিক হবে খানিকটা যদি কিছু করা যায় খানিকটা হলেও ওই ব্যাপারটা থাকবে যে ওরাই এটা করাবে
Ghosh alleged that left groups are plotting to infiltrate the protesters and incite violence to undermine the TMC's reputation. BJP labelled it as TMC's divisive political drama.
CPM और तृणमूल का एक अंडरग्राउंड एडजस्टमेंट है और ये जो वीडियो है ये फेक वीडियो तृणमूल कांग्रेस ने DIFA लोग से ये वीडियो कराया इसलिए कराया जो स्टूडेंट का जो आंदोलन चल रहा है डॉक्टर्स का जो आंदोलन चल रहा है वो उस आंदोलन को समाप्त करने का एक साजिश कर रहा है
It has to be seen how long does the deadlock continue, whether an impasse is, destroyed by the communications of both the parties, that is the Chief Minister and the doctors. Only time can tell us that when will this deadlock end completely. With camera person Shamsundar Ghosh, this is Suryagni Roy for India Today, Kolkata.
All right, amid the standoff between protesting doctors and Mamata Banerjee, Abhaya's parents have also spoken out, urging the Chief Minister to accept all of the demands being put forth by the protesting doctors. The mother of Abhaya has again highlighted that the administration, the police, the health department, all are at fault, and that's why the junior doctors who are suffering a lot, their issues must be addressed. So Abhaya's parents speaking out now for the protesting doctors, even as the dialogue and the meeting is underway.
উনি এখনো যে বলছেন যদি কেউ দোষী থাকে সাজা পাবে সব দোষী সব মানে পুলিশ প্রশাসন স্বাস্থ্য দপ্তর সবাই দোষী আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি সেখানে উনি বলছেন যদি কেউ দোষী থাকে তাহলে সে সাজা পাবে এটা আমার একদম খারাপ লেগেছে
Rajesh Saha is joining us live with more details on this. Rajesh, Abhaya's parents putting their might behind the protesting doctors and also piling pressure on the Mamata government to ensure that the demands put forth by the protesting doctors are met with. We'll bring in Rajesh in just a bit, but this is Abhaya's parents who, remember, even joined the stir previously. In a symbolic night, they did decide to join the agitation by protesting doctors to lend their voice to these junior doctors. They know full well what they've been going through and their plight, which is why they're saying that all their demands must be met.